Mm, Welcome, guys. And as you know, sorry for not being in the video, but I'm feeling a little sick today. So I'm going to explain what you're going to do. First of all, you are going to read this first part of the text. You can pause the video and read it. It's about the dolphins. So you're going to read some facts about bottlenose dolphins. You're going to read the first one, then the second one. Then you're going to choose the correct options. What are bottlenose dolphins? Where you can find them, and you're going to choose. You can write your answers in your notebook. Just put number one, and I don't know the answer, but number one and the answer, number two and the letter of the answer. O sea, número uno y poner la letra de la respuesta. Number three, la letra de la respuesta. Number four, the letter of the answer. Then you're gonna pause this video and continue reading about the bottlenose dolphin. After that, well, here what you're going to do is match the image with the paragraph. In each paragraph, say something about the dolphins. So, for example, in your notebook, you're going to draw something about the paragraph 3, something about the paragraph 4, and something about the paragraph 5. Van a dibujar de lo que trató el párrafo 3, de lo que trató el párrafo 4 y de lo que trató el párrafo 5. Okay? Then you're going to continue reading. Continue in fact 6, fact 7, and fact 8. You pause the video right here and read. Also, you're going to read the fact 9 and fact 10. And then you're going to answer these questions. Through what does a dolphin breathe air? How dolphins communicate? What do dolphins usually eat? Are dolphins endangered? And is it illegal to hunt dolphins? And well, that's all the work that you're going to do. Es el trabajo que van a hacer en cuestión de pues que habíamos quedado, pero para el jueves van a necesitar que tienen este dibujo, estas marionetas, van a hacer que las recorten y las coloreen del color que ustedes quieran, las dos. Recuerden, aquí tienen que cortar, para que ustedes puedan poner sus dedos. Les vamos a usar como marionetas. We're going to use them as puppets. And also this sheet, esta hoja, la van a llenar también. My name, my friends are, my favorite foods, I like to watch, my superpower is, I'm feeling, self-portrait, I'm really good at, other activities, 3 words that describe me. Ok, van a llenar esta hoja para el jueves también, o con que la tengan. And that would be it. Eso sería todo. y tengan muy bonito día. Have a good day. Thank you for watching the video.